a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show how to use color contrast. This designated support is something that may be assigned by a teacher depending on a student's need. During testing, the screen will appear with black text and a white background, but there are 4 other different color combinations available. They are black on rose, yellow on blue, medium gray on light gray, or white on black. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!